Meaning of heliport.
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 Heliport. A heliport is a designated area on a structure or piece of land where helicopters can take off and land safely. Unlike airports, heliports are typically smaller in size, and may not have the same level of facilities or capabilities as an airport. They are often used by emergency services, such as air ambulance or police helicopters, as well as for commercial purposes, such as transporting high-value goods or conducting aerial surveys. Heliports must adhere to strict safety regulations and are usually marked with an internationally recognized H sign to indicate their location.